Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Hay.
Okay, T. Welcome to your starter speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's look at here. This is a picture of a park and it's a nice park. Here is the robot. Where is the ball? What about the apple? Where's the apple? Okay, great job. Now let's look at here. Which is the hat? I'm putting the hat on the girl's head. Now I want you to put the hat in front of the girl. In front of the girl? Where is the girl? Okay, so do we put it here? Here? Which one? Here or here? Yes, here. This is in front of. Next one. Which is the helicopter? Put the helicopter next to the kite. Next to the kite. Next to which one is next to? This one, or this one? Okay, this one. Which one is the bear? Now, can you put the bear between the cat and the dog? Between. Yes, very good. What is this? See?
Bird.
It's a bird. What color is the bird? Color?
Color is blue and yellow.
Okay, how many birds are there? There are
They are green.
three birds.
Three birds.
Okay, very good. Tell me about this boy. What is the boy doing with the balloons? Holding or throwing?
Holding.
Okay, good. Now tell me about this boy. What is he doing?
Kite.
What is he doing with the kite? Flying or throwing?
Flying.
Flying the kite. What is this? What is this? Okay, a mouse. Do you like mice?
No.
No. And what color are the mice?
White.
What is this?
It's white.
Bike. And what's the can you ride a bike? No?
Yes.
Yes. What present would you like? What present would you like to have on your birthday?
Teddy bear.
A teddy bear. Okay, what is this?
Truck.
A toy lorry?
Toy.
Okay, a toy truck. Do you play with toy truck?
Yes.
Yes. And which are your favorite toys?
Red and yellow.
Okay, this one is red and yellow. What about your favorite toys? Do you like the teddy bear? Do you like the camera, the bike, toy lorry, toy helicopter, dogs?
Teddy bear.
Okay, teddy bear. What is this?
Camera.
Do you have a camera?
Yes.
And what color? If this is blue, what about your camera?
Pink.
Pink. Okay. Now let's talk about your house. Is your house big or small?
Mouse.
Small. How many bedrooms are there in your house? Are there like 2 bedrooms, 1 bedroom, 3 bedrooms? How many?
2 bedrooms.
2 bedrooms. What's the color of the wall in your bedroom? Is it white? Is it yellow? Blue?
White.
Color white. Okay, so that's all, Cherry. Thank you, and that's all, Pete. Thank you, and goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.